The 2026 Toyota Highlander, Toyota's family SUV that has ruled American streets for years, is back with a brand new attitude. Bigger, bolder, and more premium than ever before. The Highlander has always been known for reliability and comfort, but in 2026, Toyota pushes it further with modern styling, smarter technology, and a more refined driving experience. So, is the 2026 Highlander still the perfect family SUV? Let's find out. At first glance, the 2026 Highlander looks more muscular and upscale. The front end now features a larger grille with a sharp geometric mesh pattern, giving it a strong road presence. The LED headlights have been redesigned with slimmer DRLs that wrap around the corners, making the SUV look wider and more aggressive. Moving to the side, you'll notice the clean character lines and slightly raised belt line that give it a confident stance. The 20-inch alloy wheels add a luxury touch, while the wheel arches are bold enough to remind you this is still a capable SUV. At the back, Toyota has redesigned the taillights with a smoked LED signature that looks modern and premium. The rear bumper sits wider and lower, making the Highlander appear more planted. Overall, the 2026 model feels more refined and stylish while keeping its signature family SUV identity. Step inside, and the Highlander immediately feels more premium than before. The cabin is quieter, the materials are softer, and everything feels well put together. Toyota has redesigned the dashboard with a more horizontal layout, giving it a more spacious feel. Front and center is a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen, along with a fully digital 12-inch instrument cluster for the driver. The seats are supportive, and the leather quality feels richer this year. In the second row, you get generous legroom, and the captain's chairs make long journeys more comfortable. And yes, the Highlander still offers a third row, great for families, with improved access and slightly more headroom. Overall, the interior strikes the perfect balance between practicality and premium comfort. The 2026 Highlander comes loaded with features, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a panoramic sunroof, a 10-speaker JBL sound system, a 360-degree camera, and Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. Under the hood, Toyota continues with its reliable 2.4-liter turbocharged engine, producing smooth and strong power for daily driving. An hybrid option is also available, offering excellent fuel efficiency, perfect for long trips and city driving. The ride quality is where the Highlander really shines this year. It feels more stable, more composed, and quieter than the previous model. Whether you're cruising on the highway or maneuvering through tight city streets, the Highlander delivers a confident and comfortable experience. The 2026 Toyota Highlander starts at around $39,000 for the base model, while the fully loaded Platinum trim can go above $52,000. For what it offers, reliability, premium comfort, modern features, and Toyota's strong resale value, the Highlander remains one of the smartest SUVs in its segment. So, that's the 2026 Toyota Highlander, a perfect blend of style, comfort, and dependability. If you're looking for a family SUV that does everything well, this one should definitely be on your list. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more daily car content right here on KK Car Reviews.